Whoa, hey YouTube, it's Zachary Scholten up here with the newest vid. So apparently YouTube has these new 10 subscriber play buttons, which I just got my hands on. They just sent me one, I think. I got mail from them, so let's see what it is. Oops. Okay. So this is what the top of the box looks like. Isn't it amazing? Okay. So now we gotta cut it open so we don't damage the box. Whoa. There's a note. I'll put a screenshot of it on the screen. Congrats on 10 subscribers. Thank you, Zachary Scholten, for your epic Minecraft parodies and dancing. Here is your 10 subscriber play button. Still in testing. You are the first to receive one. Sincerely, YouTube team. Looks like the play button is great. Here, I'll give you guys a close-up of it. It might have broken a little during shipping, but that's like a easy fix, right? So, yeah. Expect a new video soon. It's gonna be another Minecraft parody. And, let's get to that 50 subscriber mark. And we'll probably get another button. Maybe next time it will be cooler.